In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause notifications in Slack. Slack can be a fantastic tool for communication and productivity, but sometimes you need a break from the constant stream of notifications to focus on deep work or simply recharge. If you're looking to temporarily pause those pings and alerts, you're in the right place. Let's dive in to see how you can do this quickly and efficiently. First things first, you need to open Slack. This might seem obvious, but it's an essential step in this process. Go ahead and open the Slack application on your desktop or navigate to it in your web browser. Make sure you're connected to the correct workspace where you want to pause notifications. Once you're in your workspace, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's move to the upper right corner of your Slack window where your profile picture is located. Clicking on your profile picture will open a drop-down menu. This menu holds several useful options for personalizing your Slack experience. It's a great place to start exploring if you want to make adjustments to your notification settings, among other things. But today, we're all about pausing those notifications. In this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Pause Notifications. It's usually found near the top. Click on Pause Notifications to open another menu. This is where you, as the user, have the ability to choose how long you'd like to pause them. What's great is that Slack allows you to customize this based on your needs, offering a range of options from pausing notifications for a short period to an entire day. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll choose until tomorrow. This is a perfect option if you need an entire day without distractions. Clicking on until tomorrow pauses all notifications until the next day, so you can focus on important tasks or enjoy uninterrupted time off. Just bear in mind that while this setting gives you some serenity, you can always reverse it if needed simply by following the same steps and selecting to resume notifications. And there you have it, you've successfully paused your notifications in Slack. While it's essential to stay connected, pausing notifications is a testament to your initiative to find a balance that works for you. Remember, you can always adjust these settings as your needs change, ensuring that you manage your digital space effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more how-to content. Stay productive and see you next time.